Dreams are always weird. They never make any sense at all. Last night, I had a dream that I'm asleep and I hear something that wakes me up in the dream, and I go out into my kitchen, and here's two friends of mine working at the kitchen sink, I guess like a plumber would. I look down. I have no clothes on. Now, of course, in the dream I'm asleep. I just wake up from hearing noises. They don't see me standing there nude in the dream. But then in the dream, I hear my doorbell ring 2 times. And fearing that they might see me standing out there, I hop back into bed. Now, I have no clue in the dream why these two friends are in my kitchen working with my kitchen sink. And I have no clue what they're doing with the kitchen sink, why they're there, or anything. I guess it was maybe 5 to 10 minutes later I woke up. And then I realized that somebody very well could have been ringing my doorbell here. And that's what I heard in the dream, and that kind of put me a little bit less into the dream, a little bit more awake. And then I woke up and I'm like, who rung my doorbell? And they rung it twice. So here I'm on my phone, I'm calling all these people that I know this morning. Did you ring my doorbell this morning? Did you ring my doorbell? Every one of them said, no, I didn't ring it. So I'm telling them about the dream. And they're like, oh, it could have been so-and-so, or it could have been so-and-so. Dreams are weird. They make absolutely no sense whatsoever. I say all that to say this. In the comments below, tell me about a weird dream you had. Did people ring doorbells? Or were you completely naked and you quick had to hop back in the bed to avoid being seen? At least I remembered this one when I woke up. But I just had to tell you about it. And I don't think any of you live near me, so it's not you ringing my doorbell. Had to be somebody. And today's Labor Day, so it's not the maintenance in the apartment. They're off today. They're on call. I would have to call a number to get them here, so I don't think it's them. And I don't think UPS delivers today, or Federal Express. So I got to figure this mystery out. And if I do, I'll let you know in a future video who it was. Thank you for allowing me to bore you, and have a great day. Bye. Ding dong.